Are you tired of buying overpriced guru courses that tell you to spend money on ads you cannot afford? If you want to make your first dollar online without spending a dime on traffic, pay close attention. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to break free from the daily grind. Keep watching because I also have a massive bonus bundle that will force this system to work for you even faster. You can find the link to those bonuses in the description below. Welcome to App Verdict. My honest take on the free traffic affiliate system is this. It is a breath of fresh air. Most affiliate courses overcomplicate things with complex funnels and paid ads. This system strips all that away. It is a straight-to-the-point, step-by-step guide built purely for complete beginners who want to use 100% free traffic. No fluff, no jargon. It actually delivers. So, what exactly is the free traffic affiliate system? It is a complete digital guide and video training. It is designed specifically for newbies who have no audience, zero technical skills, and no budget for paid ads. It solves the biggest problem new marketers face, getting eyeballs on your links. Instead of relying on a massive following or viral hacks that never work, this system shows you how to tap into existing free traffic sources on platforms like Facebook and TikTok. You just follow the daily steps and build your income over time. Let us look inside the members area. When you log in, everything is broken down into 6 simple modules. Module 1 covers your mindset. It gets you out of the consumer habit and into the earner mentality. Module 2 shows you exactly where to find high-converting, beginner-friendly offers that actually pay out. Module 3 is the social media magnet. You get copy and paste templates for posts and videos to attract buyers without having any followers. Module 4 dives deep into free traffic platforms. You get scripts to respond to questions and pull people to your links. Module 5 is the 24-hour content loop. This is a rinse and repeat daily routine you can do even if you work a full-time job. Module 6 teaches you how to scale up your results once you start seeing commissions. It's clean, easy to navigate, and the videos are short and actionable. Now let's talk about the pricing and the funnel. The front-end product, the free traffic affiliate system, is only $7.95 during this launch phase. It's a one-time payment with no hidden fees. If you want to speed up your results, there's an order bump called the 0 to 10K system for $8.95. I highly recommend grabbing this because it is extremely cheap and adds a ton of value. There are a few optional upgrades. Upgrade 1 is the full system upgrade for $17, but if you look out for the discount, you can grab it for $14. Upgrade 2 is the reseller package for $47 or $27 on the downsell. This lets you sell the system yourself and keep 100% of the profits. Finally, there's a cross-sell for the ChatGPT money machine for $27. You don't need the upgrades to make the front end work, but the reseller package is a massive shortcut if you want your own product to sell. If you decide to pick this up through my link in the description, I'm going to give you a massive, exclusive bonus package to guarantee your success. I've handpicked 10 powerful tools to help you get more traffic and convert that traffic into cash. Bonus 1, Soci Ultima, an all-in-one social tool to boost your video views across multiple platforms for free. Bonus 2, FB Viral Turbo Machine. This forces people to share your content before they get access to your lead magnets, creating a viral loop. Bonus 3, Soci Tracker. Track unlimited social activities so you know exactly where your best buyers are coming from. Bonus 4, Gram Suite. This automates your Instagram engagement to build your audience while you sleep. Bonus 5, WP Email Timer Plus. Add countdown timers to your pages and emails to drive extreme urgency and force people to buy. Bonus 6, Action Stimulator. Show real-time notifications on your site to trigger the fear of missing out. Bonus 7, WP Swift Page plugin. Speed up your site load times instantly so you stop losing impatient mobile visitors. Bonus 8, Lead Book Generator. Sync your Facebook leads directly into your email autoresponder. Bonus 9, Power List Pro. Add entry and exit pop-ups to automatically capture emails before visitors leave your page. Bonus 10, Two-Step Opt-in Generator. Create high-converting squeeze pages without writing a single line of code. My final verdict is that for under $8, the free traffic affiliate system is an absolute no-brainer. It gives you a real foundation for an online business without the heavy risks of paid advertising. But you need to act fast. The $7.95 price tag is strictly for the launch period. Once the launch ends, the price goes up. Plus, my massive 10-part bonus package is strictly limited to the first 50 people who buy through my link. Once those 50 spots are gone, I'm pulling the bonuses down. Don't wait. Click the first link in the description right now to secure your copy and lock in all 10 of my exclusive bonuses. After you purchase, your bonuses will be waiting for you automatically inside your Warrior Plus receipt area. If you found this review helpful, please hit the like button, leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to App Verdict for more honest reviews and making money online tutorials. See you in the next video.